Here's how you can incorporate them into your meals for weight loss and for improving skin and hair health. Weight loss. Flax seeds are rich in dietary fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, which may aid in weight loss. They can be added to your diet in the following ways. 1. Stir a tablespoon of ground flax seeds into oatmeal, cereal, and smoothies. 2. Add a tablespoon of ground flax seeds to tuna, chicken, and egg salads. 3. You can make a flaxseed weight loss drink by grinding flax seeds. Skin and hair health. Flax seeds are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to nourish hair follicles and encourage growth. They also help in keeping the skin hydrated and smooth. Here are some ways to use flax seeds for skin and hair health. 1. You can make a flaxseed gel for your hair. Boil the flax seeds in water, strain the mixture, and let it cool. You can apply this gel to your hair as a natural hair gel. 2. Ground flax seeds can be added to homemade face masks for extra nourishment.